The customized nature, lying on the green misty grass as if a giggling playground, gaping on a colorful rainbow, so they are giving a blooming glimpse, caring like by giving pure nectar of shine. Huge greenery staring at me with a creeping look, because I was at my glance. It gave me the lasting strength as supportive soil root gives the strong nourishment. Choping black, white, yellow, and many were admiringly such paintings with a melody tune. Clouds were like wandering here and there, and just the laughter belike together. Shedding leaves in the heavy sunshine were exactly the morning blessing. Sunshine tries to be all happy and sad companion. God's made nature is showing a magical illusion. Rather, a human it gives a lot pleasure. Thank you. Please support me and love my poems, giving a thumbs up and sharing it to all your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe my channel by pressing the red color subscribe button and press the bell icon for the latest update. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned for the next video.